For over 30 years, brothers John and Mike Garofalo's Harvey Cedars Shellfish Company has been known for their unique take on fresh local seafood. Call 494-7112 for takeout. Everything's available to go. Better yet, bring your own, bring your friends, and make some new friends in a fun setting that's the perfect environment for casual shore dining. Recognized for excellence by the Zagat Survey, Philadelphia Magazine, the Press of Atlantic City, Craig LaBan of the Philadelphia Inquirer, and Fox TV News in Philly. Harvey Cedars Shellfish Company. And when in Beach Haven, stop into the Harvey Cedars Shellfish Company Clam Bar.